In this video, we'll be discussing the opportunity cost principle, which is an important concept when you're trying to decide what is the best choice for you to make. In economics, the true cost of something we call the opportunity cost. The definition of the opportunity cost will be the value of the next best alternative you must give up to get it. Okay, so we'll go through some examples here in a second. Another way to think about the definition of the opportunity cost will be the value of that best foregone alternative. Like, what is the value of that next best thing you would have done instead of making the decision you did make? Okay. In a little bit, we'll go through a cost-benefit analysis or comparison and how we're going to make decisions. And when we do these cost-benefit comparisons and say that the word cost, what we mean in economics is the actual opportunity cost. And I'll give you some examples here in the next couple slides to see that definition. Okay, so our first example for opportunity cost. Imagine here you can spend $300 on either a new pair of shoes, or your other alternative is you can spend that $300 on a fall break vacation. Okay, what you're going to need to calculate is the opportunity cost of the new pair of shoes. Okay, your options are: is it the $300, your enjoyment of the fall break vacation, C, both the $300 and the enjoyment of the fall break vacation, or D, is it impossible to determine? The $300, maybe, maybe not. Your enjoyment of the fall break vacation. So take a few seconds and try to think through what your choice might be if this was an exam question. Okay, let's go through these starting with selection A. The correct answer is not $300. Okay, if you buy the pair of shoes, what are you giving up? Are you giving up the $300 or your next best alternative? The next best alternative to the shoes will be the fall break vacation. Right? You might actually get more than $300 in terms of enjoyment out of this fall break vacation. And so you might be giving up even more than $300. So we can scratch that one out. Let's go to this answer C here. Is it both the $300 in terms of the money you spent plus the enjoyment of the fall break vacation that you get, the value to that of that enjoyment? Here we're double counting, right? If you don't buy the shoes, you're going to spend the $300 and you'll get the enjoyment from the fall break vacation when you go on that vacation, but you have to pay that $300 to actually go on that vacation, right? So you're out the $300 if you choose to go on the vacation. So really the value of the next best alternative here is going to be the enjoyment you get from taking that next best alternative, fall break vacation. So the answer here will be B, right? The value of that next best alternative that you can do other than buying that pair of shoes.